Hey guys, OnePlus has finally confirmed that they are coming with a new smartphone series, the OnePlus 8 series. In an interview with Cnet, OnePlus has finally confirmed that all the smartphones in the upcoming OnePlus 8 series will be 5G enabled. That means no matter where you live, OnePlus will provide you with 5G experience. So it's very nice to know that OnePlus will not be following Samsung's strategy of launching 5G enabled S20 smartphones in only specific regions. So everyone who will own any one of the OnePlus 8 series smartphones will get to enjoy 5G experience. Let me tell you that there will be 3 new smartphones in the upcoming OnePlus 8 series: the regular OnePlus 8, a budget and affordable OnePlus 8 Lite, and a Pro model, the true flagship from OnePlus, the OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus 8 Lite will be a budget offering from OnePlus, and it could be priced at around $400 or around 25 to 28,000 Indian rupees. Regular OnePlus 8 could be priced around $700 or around 50,000 Indian rupees. The Pro variant could be priced at $800 or around 55 to 57,000 Indian rupees. Now that you know the expected pricing, you can choose which OnePlus 8 series smartphone to go for. OnePlus has also confirmed that they won't be crossing $1,000 price mark, which is a nice news. Talking about the specifications, all 3 smartphones will have punch hole displays. The OnePlus 8 Lite will have its hole punch in the top center, where the 8 and 8 Pro will have their hole punch in the top left corner. All these display panels will be high refresh rate display panels. Regular 8 and 8 Lite will have 90Hz refresh rate, where the 8 Pro will have 120Hz refresh rate. It will also come with a custom MEMC chip which will force normal content to 120Hz so that the users could get a smoother experience. We find this feature in many high-end TVs, and now it's coming in the OnePlus 8 Pro. The 8 and 8 Pro will have curved display panels, where the 8 Lite will come with a flat display. Talking about the processing power, OnePlus 8 Lite will have a MediaTek processor. OnePlus 8 Lite will have MediaTek Dimensity 1000 processor, which is a powerful processor. Regular OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro will be powered by latest flagship chip, that is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. OnePlus is also working on new version of Oxygen OS for the upcoming OnePlus 8 series, so the performance will be smoother and top-notch. We could also expect improved camera experience from all the 3 new smartphones. Talking about extra features, OnePlus 8 Pro could feature wireless charging and IP68 water resistance, but as a result, it would also force the cost to go up. So the OnePlus 8 Pro is obviously going to be one of the best smartphones of 2020. For the OnePlus 8 Pro, you are definitely paying more, but in return you are also getting more. With that, we are at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave, and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj, and I will see you guys in my next video.